crispy frozen tater tots. Crispy popcorn chicken frozen. And this is all on our sheet pan. Just kind of get those nice and mixed together for this super easy recipe. Absolutely love this when I'm craving some fast food, but don't want to leave the house. So this is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes. All right, our tater tots and popcorn chicken are almost ready. I'm coming in with a greased sheet pan, and I have my cans of gravy. We have 4 total, and we're just gonna pour those onto our sheet pan. Now, I bet you guys could probably guess what we're making now with our gravy. Now, you can use chicken gravy, but traditionally it's made with beef gravy. And we're just spreading that from edge to edge on our greased sheet pan. It's very important that you grease this for this super fun recipe. We are just taking a fast food classic and putting a super fun spin. Kids love this. Adults love this. Honestly, everyone loves this. Now I have some corn. This is a canned corn, and we drained this and we're sprinkling this right into our gravy. You can use fresh corn or frozen corn, but I like the canned corn for this because it cooks the fastest, and that's what we need for this. All right, I think we're just gonna use 1 can. I did get 2 cans, but that looks perfect. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Yum. All right, our last ingredient for this super easy lunch dinner recipe is our cheddar jack cheese, and it is time to sprinkle this on. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite part. You guys know I love my cheese, and we are gonna use extra cheese for this. So I have another bag, so we'll probably use like 1.5 bags of cheese. Let's get that right on here, and don't worry, we'll even this out. Now that we have that all on there, and just kind of break up those big pieces of cheese. Just like with the gravy, we want this to go edge to edge, so maybe we will use more of that cheese to make sure that each edge has cheese. Can you tell I like cheese?
Ooh, extra cheese, please.
Yeah, and you could put like some chives on top of this, some parsley, but I think I'm gonna keep it simple, keep it more to the recipe, but this looks good.
Yum.
All right, we're gonna put this in the oven with our popcorn chicken and tater tots, but this is only gonna be in there for about like 5 to 10 minutes. All right, our tater tots and popcorn chicken are done, and I see that our cheese has fully melted onto our gravy. It's starting to steam and bubble on the sides, so we're gonna carefully pull this out.
Carefully.
And I think you guys have seen this before on nachos, but we're gonna go ahead and pour our gravy right on top of all of this goodness. Woo! You didn't see that coming, huh?
Oh, I definitely didn't.
All right, apparently our cheese wanted to stick to one side, but I am not mad at that because this is our take on a KFC famous bowl. We got everything we need, and instead of mashed potatoes, we did those tater tots, which in my preference, I prefer. Oh, we need more than that. I want some extra cheesy parts. Now, for the people that don't like as much cheese, they have some. Look at all that steam. My goodness. All right, it's time to give it a try. Wow.
Is it good?
That is incredible. The chicken, the tater tots, they stay nice and crispy. You guys are gonna love this.